Welcome back to the homestead. Today we're going to change the sending unit in the tank in my 72 truck. The old one had a problem. The float was damaged, leaked gas. There's no way to fix it. Now there's a difference between this one and the new one. Now this is all the same. I had to cut a fitting off because mine doesn't have one. So let's get into it. And first of all, it's free to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. Let's get started. Okay, first most, we're going to put this thing in here. And it's a bit tricky. In order to do these old trucks, you got to take the seat loose. So we got a gasket we got to put on first. So let's get the gasket on. Get it over the float. And we got to fish this thing in here. My old one, like I say, it was a mess. I couldn't do much of anything with it. Let's see here. Okay. So now you just get this thing to where it's lined up in the grooves. Like that. And there's a nut. Comes on. You gotta line up these other grooves. And you get them in hard. Let me get my hammer here. Get in here. A little hard for a man my size to get in tight places. Okay. So, try to get this thing started. It's half the battle. Spin this thing around, maybe one more here. Give me a little bit better leverage. Alright, so got the thing started. Wasn't really smart for me to tap on the hammer, but I don't have a brass hammer. What you got to do is tighten this thing up using a brass punch. Until it comes to the stops. Okay. Now what we do, we hook up the gas line. Let me get my nut driver here. Loosen this thing up on all sides. It's always best bring, if you don't remember what size it was, always bring both nut drivers. Alright. Okay. So that's all we do with that. Okay, as you see, we got the thing on. Now we gotta get the wire and put it on. I'm not too happy with the way that fits. I'm gonna put a terminal on the end. I'll be right back. I thought it was threaded, but it wasn't. So, got the sending unit on, wires attached. Only thing I have left to do is put that clip on. Okay, now the moment of truth. I pushed my seat back, I still gotta hold it up. Let's see if it works. Well, at least it's not going down to where it was. Because before it was always going down empty, and I knew it at least had 10 gallons of gas. I know, might not be prime, let's see. Well, looks like we're finally fixed. Old and Cranky's a little cold, so we're going to let her warm up a little bit. And that's it. Senate unit fixed. I didn't like the idea how I had to clamp that line on. In fact, I think I need to tighten up that other one a little bit. But that's it. Thank you for stopping by, visiting with my homestead. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, got the seat back in. Come to find out there was a bolt broken off the floor. 5 bolts will hold it. It was missing another bolt, didn't even realize it. But that's it for this video. If you like this content, please subscribe. And see you in the next one.